Money manifestation through visualization. You can manifest money by using the power of your mind. Have you ever had one of those days when trying to make ends meet seemed just impossible? When you're struggling financially and the world seems to be against you and nothing you do seems to go right? Do you find it hard to attract money and wealth into your life? Do you always wonder why people who seem no different to you seem to have more? Many people suffer from days like these, and for some, this feeling of inadequacy can be life debilitating. So, what can you do to overcome these grey days? What can you do to give yourself a boost? To paraphrase the old song, how do we pick ourselves up, dust ourselves off, and start all over again? First, you have to realise that the world you live in is not out there. Your problems do not exist out there, and the answers do not lie out there. Your world exists inside your head. My world exists inside my head. Therefore, the world we live in is personal to us and exists inside our heads. If you doubt this, think about it this way. If you couldn't see, hear, taste, feel, or smell, the world would not exist for you, for it is through your senses that you interpret the world around you. This is real good news because it means that all you have to do to change your world is change your mind. You can use your imagination and your 5 senses to enable money manifestation anytime you want to. Here's how. If you're feeling down, despondent, or just can't seem to move ahead in any particular way, first make the decision that you are going to do something about it. Remember, it's your mind, so it's up to you to change it. Find somewhere where you can sit for 20 minutes that is quiet and where you won't be disturbed or distracted. Sit straight but relaxed, eyes to the front. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Breathe out with a sigh. Repeat this 4 or 5 times or until you are feeling completely relaxed. Now think back to a situation where you felt relaxed, content, happy. If you can't think of one, make one up. Perhaps you are on a vacation, relaxing on a beach, the sun on your face, a warm, gentle breeze blowing across your body, the sound of children laughing. Whatever the memory might be, it will have certain aspects that relate to your 5 senses. What can you see in your mind's eye? What can you hear? What can you taste, smell, and touch? Make this picture, this image, as large as you can. Let it completely surround you. Are there colours? If so, turn up the brightness. Just imagine that you have a TV remote control and use it to make all the colours richer, more vibrant. Make that memory appear in glorious technicolor. If you don't see colours, create them in your imagination. Use your remote control to turn up the sound. Turn it into glorious surround sound. Feel the sun and the breeze on your face. Really feel it. Smell and taste the tang of sea salt in the air. Now you are completely relaxed. Allow your imagination to see that you are abundantly wealthy. Imagine what you will do with all that wealth, with all the good things that are coming to you. Apply these imaginations to whatever your most relaxed situation has been. Now you are feeling so relaxed, feeling so good. But could you feel even better? Yes, you could. Just use your imaginary remote control and prove to yourself that you can. While practicing this visualization technique, you will probably drift off into a daydream. That's good. As you awake from your daydream, take 4 or 5 deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. When you are ready, stand up and stretch your body. take a long, luxurious stretch. After practicing this visualization method to enable money manifestation, I absolutely guarantee that your finances will improve. You will be feeling so good, you'll be ready to tackle anything. Do this exercise on a daily basis and you will be amazed at the results. And that's it. But I will leave you with this question. Just how good can you feel? How many wonderful things will you manifest? This is Ian wishing you health, wealth and happiness.